Good morning, Maria. You're here early.
Morning, Alex. Yes, I wanted to make sure the new shipment from Delta Electronics came in.
It did. It arrived about an hour ago. I've just started checking the packing list against the invoice.
Perfect. We really need those components for the next batch on line 3.
Let's go through it together. I've got the delivery note and the bill of lading right here.
Did you already check for any visible damage to the boxes?
Yes, I did a quick inspection. One box is a little dented, but the rest look fine from the outside.
Okay, let's be careful when opening that one. We'll start with the box count.
The bill of lading says there should be 10 boxes in this shipment.
Let's count them together.
1, 2, 3, 9. That's strange.
So we have one box missing?
Looks like it. I'll make a note of that on the receiving report.
And inform the purchasing department so they can follow up with the supplier.
Definitely. Let's check the contents of the first box.
These are the resistors, looks like they are in good condition.
The packing list says 500 pieces. Let's count.
Okay. 10 bags of 50 each. That's 500.
Great. Next box, capacitors. It should be 300 pieces.
One bag is torn, and I see some pieces loose in the box.
Let's collect them. We've got 298 here, so 2 are missing.
We should note that as a shortage.
Yes, I'll write shortage 2 PCS in the inspection record.
Now the dented box, let's see.
Oh no, these printed circuit boards have a chapped corner.
That makes them defective. We can't use these on the line.
I'll take some photos for documentation.
And label the box do not use.
Done. The rest of the boxes look fine from the outside.
We should still open and check them.
Box 4, LED displays, all intact.
Box 5, transistors, sealed in correct quantity.
Box 6, microcontrollers, no visible damage.
Box 7, connectors, counted, all good.
Box 8, heat sinks, matches the packing list exactly.
Box 9, switches, correct quantity.
So to summarize, 1 box missing, 2 capacitors missing, 1 box of defective PCBs.
Right. Let's make sure we have all this documented for the supplier claim.
I'll send the report and photos to purchasing after lunch.
Thanks, Alex. That will help us avoid delays in production. Before you send the report, could you also check if the purchase order number matches on all the documents?
Good point. Let me see. The invoice says PO number 4521, the packing list says PO number 4521, and the bill of lading, yes, it's the same.
Perfect. That will make the supplier's job easier when processing our claim.
I'll attach scanned copies of all these documents to the email.
Great. Should we call them first or just send the email?
I think we should call. It's better to confirm they're aware of the missing and damaged items.
Agreed. Do you have their contact information?
Yes, it's on the supplier database. Let me just log into the system.
While you do that, I'll start labeling the boxes that are ready for storage.
All right, I've got the phone number. I'll put it on speaker so we can both hear.
Good idea.
Hello, this is Alex from Orion Manufacturing. We received your shipment today and found some discrepancies.
Oh, can you tell me the purchase order number?
Sure, it's PO number 4521.
All right, what's the issue?
1 box is missing, 2 capacitors are missing from a torn bag, and 1 box of printed circuit boards arrived damaged.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you send us photos and the receiving report?
Yes, I'll email them today.
Also, please make sure to arrange a replacement shipment quickly. We need these components for production.
Understood. We'll prioritize it.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Well, that was straightforward.
Yes, but now we need to finish documenting everything.
Right. Let's complete the receiving checklist first.
I'll tick off the items we've already verified and write pending replacement next to the damaged and missing ones.
While you're doing that, I'll write the storage location codes on the boxes we're keeping.
Where should the resistors go?
I'll be shelf 2, same as usual.
Got it. And the capacitors?
I'll see shelf 4. But keep the damaged bag in a separate bin with a label.
Done. What about the LED displays?
They go in aisle D, shelf 1, fragile section.
Okay, I'll move those carefully with the trolley.
Good. Always make sure to handle them gently.
All right, all the good items are in place. The defective PCBs are still here on the pallet.
We'll put them in the quarantine area until the supplier arranges pickup.
Should I fill out the return materials authorization form now?
Yes. We need that before we can send anything back.
Okay, I'll log into the RMA system. It asks for the supplier name, PO number, item description, quantity, and reason for return.
For a reason, put receipt damaged unusable.
Done. It also asks for photos.
Use the ones you took earlier.
Uploaded. And submit.
Great. Now we wait for their confirmation.
That should take a day or two.
In the meantime, I'll update the production schedule to reflect the shortage.
Sorry about the delays.
It's not your fault. These things happen. The important thing is we documented everything correctly.
True. By the way, should I keep the torn capacitor bag in the quarantine area too?
No, we can still use those capacitors. Just transfer them to a new anti-static bag and label it with the correct quantity.
All right, I'll do that now.
Make sure to seal it properly so they don't spill again.
Done. New bag labeled 298 PCS.
Perfect. That will keep our inventory accurate.
Speaking of inventory, should I update the ERP system now?
Yes, update the received quantities and note the missing and damaged items.
Okay, logging and updated.
Thanks, Alex. You're efficient.
I've had a lot of practice with these receiving procedures.
We should also update the whiteboard schedule so the team knows which components are available.
Right, I'll write PCBs pending replacement and capacitors shortage in red marker.
That will alert the assembly team immediately.
Done. Should we also inform the quality control department?
Yes, they need to know about the defective PCBs in case similar damage happens again.
I'll send them an internal email with the photos attached.
Thanks. Communication between departments is important.
Absolutely. The sooner everyone knows, the faster we can adapt the production plan.
Speaking of which, Line 3 was supposed to start assembling the control boards tomorrow.
Without the PCBs, they can't proceed.
True, but we can reschedule and work on sub-assemblies that don't need the PCBs yet.
Good idea. That way we keep people busy and reduce downtime.
Exactly. I'll talk to the line leader after this.
Should I prepare the storage racks for the incoming replacement shipment?
Yes, clear some space in aisle, since the replacement may arrive on a different pallet size.
I'll move some old stock to the overflow area.
Make sure you record any relocation in the inventory log.
Done. Everything's up to date in the ERP system too.
You're on top of things, Alex.
Thanks. I've learned that accurate records save a lot of trouble later.
Definitely. Even a small error in stock counts can cause big delays.
True. By the way, did you notice that the supplier used less protective packaging this time?
Yes, that could explain why the PCBs were damaged.
Maybe we should suggest they use stronger cartons or add more cushioning.
I'll include that in the feedback section of the claim form.
Great. It's always better to prevent problems than just fix them afterward.
Agreed. Prevention saves both time and money.
By the way, do we still have the supplier's performance report from last quarter?
Yes, I keep it in the supplier file. Why?
I'm curious if they had similar issues before.
Let's check. Yes, here it is. It says they had one incident of late delivery and one of wrong quantity.
So this is not the first time.
No, but overall they have a good record.
That's good to know.
Still, I'll mention this incident in the next supplier review meeting.
Makes sense. Keeps them accountable.
Exactly.
All boxes are now either stored or quarantined.
Great. Let's take a short break before we handle the next delivery.
There's another one coming today.
Yes, from Gamma Components. Smaller order, but we'll follow the same receiving procedure.
Got it. I'll prepare the receiving area.
Make sure the pallet jack is ready too.
Will do. I'll also get fresh labels for the boxes.
Good idea. Fresh labels prevent mix-ups.
Receiving area is clear now.
Perfect timing, here comes the truck.
I'll guide the driver to back up to the loading dock.
I'll grab the clipboard and delivery note.
All right, truck is in position.
Let's check the paperwork before unloading.